Here we go. This one looks like it's been double taped by Panini. Panini, 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 Panini. Alright, you get it. Anywho, a lot of Panini on there. This is GrizzleBee's. I got 2 left somewhere, so now I'll have 8 left. Where are those 2 at? Anybody know where I put them? Tell me, guys, where did I put them? Oh, there they are. Box numbers do we have left from the old one? We have 4 and 6 on the blue side. 4, 6. Or they're all blue, but on the red side. So that will leave over 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. Break it. You got it, Matt. I'll break it after this, man. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8. We'll never know, Wolf Moon. We'll never know. There was only some way we could find out. Here we go, Grizzle. Like I say, if you're just joining Crown, I will get as soon as possible. It's on the truck, waiting to hear back. Crickets. It's hot as Hades up in here. No joke. The air conditioning's not blowing in this room. It's hot. Oh, Lions fan. I just saw that, Michael. Told multiple women they were once in a lifetime. You've told multiple women they were your true love of my life. Alright, let's see what we get. Grizzle me this. Stefan. Maxi. Pad? No. Pereira. Koo. Tony. Cruz. Maxi again. Edison. Cavani. I don't know why I'm separating these out. This isn't a Fisker break. Neymar. What am I doing that for? Alright, our first anything. Stefan Lichtsteiner. He's a defender. 11 of 25. What's up, Matt Sage? Waiting on the truck, man, or for them to call me back. I got a sub driver today. I always meet my new driver. I mean, I always meet my old driver, but we got a sub driver on route today, trying to find him. Kalichi. Either way, it'll be here today. I'm just hoping I can get it way earlier. Thomas Delaney. N'Golo Kante. Ever Banega. Carlos Baca. Ahmed. Got a green. Aaron Gunnarsson. That one's numbered to 25. Nemanja Matic. Judo. You know, I didn't see any Mbappe base. Not to say there wasn't one in here, but I didn't see one. Any of you guys see any Mbappes? Unskinny Mbappe blows me away. Extra corn on that one. Extra corn. If George is in, there's 7 in pop, but Sharks Bob hasn't got in. He said he's getting 2. So that means 9 in pop. 3 more to make 3 full boxes. 7 more to make 4 boxes. 11 more to make 5. 15 more to make a half case. Of course, Matt. The draft takes place at 2 no matter what's going on, unless, of course, I'm right in the middle of a break, then right after that break. But we put it up yesterday on the live feed stating 2 o'clock. Be there or be circular. Here's some music to get you pumped. Ignore them. Here we go. Oh, it's one of these type boxes. One of those ones where you get 1,000,000 of these things in it. The blue one is Wojak. They're all numbered to 125. If you're going to have a hit, you got to make it fit. So they cut it down to 125. Douglas, Costa, Borges, Timo, Javier, Masato is the pink. Andres Guardado, Pedro purple, Maxi Pad, Alexander Mitrovic, Mark Milligan here on Milligan's Isle. Just keep looking out the window like the truck's gonna roll up. I hope he comes earlier than later. Jeez. Joshua Kimmich. Oh, we got something. Martin Odegaard. Road to Russia. Santiago is your blue. Riza. Romelu Lukaku. Red. That's 149. Everybody loves Romelu Lukaku, right? Fahad. Casper, the Friendly Ghost. Ricardo. Ricky Ricardo? Alright guys, I've got to I'm going to move these little 2 stacks over, but I have to turn that fan on. It's hot as Hades up in here, no doubt. I get no doubt when I get up again. I get no doubt, but I get up again because they're never going to get me down. Superman, who are you? I don't even remember the username Superman. You must not have commented in 70, 75 years. By the way, what's up, Superman? Who is Superman? You're a Ravens fan? Matt Sage? What's up, web coder? Oh, you collect quarterbacks. Good position to collect. Running backs can be very fickle. So can kickers. Anybody have a kicker collection? Ray Guy, Adam Vinatieri, Mark Mosley. What's his name? Randall Cunningham. Kicked a 99-yard punt one time. He was a quarterback and a kicker. What's up, Lunchbox? How you doing, man? You're asking me, Sharks? Topps Archives? I have 2 boxes left. Somewhere. They're here, though. 2 archive regulars left. Gustav Svensson. Connection card. Jamie Vardy. Thiago Silva. And Felipe Coutinho. What's the latest big pull? Superman, can you hear me? Superman? Alberto Rodriguez. I think Superman's deaf. Not so super. Raheem Sterling. Biggio, it's unlimited. At 2 o'clock we cut it off. I was asking who you were, Superman, earlier. You didn't answer. I was wondering who Superman was. I haven't seen that name comment in 30, 35 years. I was trying to figure out who you are. Jordan Henderson. Shinji. Jeremy from Louisiana. Still not ringing a bell. When's the last time you've been in the room, Jeremy? You probably were, I'm sure. What's the first 3 letters of your last name? Nicola is the red. Lucas. Jeremy Hebb. I have to look that up, Jeremy. For some reason it's not ringing a bell. It must have been years ago. I usually have a good memory for names. Milik. Douglas Costa. Blue. Musa Sowell. Hiroki Sakai. Yeah, I was about to say, that must have been a while ago, Jeremy. Tom Rojic. Gatuko Sakai. Alright. Webcoder, I can put another one of those Chrome up if you want, man. I'm cool with that. If you guys want me to, Webcoder, let me know. It's only a 1-boxer, so only takes a minute, and it's kind of cheap. With a chance at a monster hit if you get lucky. Yeah, big hitless. It's been about 30, 35 years since you gotten one. That's true. Anyway, the latest big pull, Jeremy, Superman, is I have 0 clue. We pull a lot of big pulls. Check the big pulls section under my website. You'll see some of them. Go to my website, click the big pull section, and scroll down. It'll load up pictures as you keep scrolling. All the new ones should be on the top. I just got a text, guys. I can go get them right now, so I am going to go get them, guys. I'm going to leave those packs on the table. You guys are my witness. I'll be right back, Grizzle.